You ask ChatGPT for 10, 20, 50 killer business ideas to get rich overnight. You know, the ones with zero risk, zero investment, and zero hard work. If you are past that stage and really want to use AI effectively for a solution, then stay put. This will be really helpful. See, every dev, every founder, every person using AI effectively to create solutions goes through this, what I call the prompting U curve. It's a 3-stage prompting evolution everyone goes through. So in the first stage, you start with the basics. You ask your AI assistant to write you a Python script or summarize a document or ask about the pain you're having in your left hand. Basically things which AI assistants are really good at. And you get really impressive answers. And now you're like, wow, this thing is really good. You move over to the second stage now. And this is where things get real. You're not asking AI to do basic stuff anymore. You're now trying to build complex workflows, orchestration systems, or designing full-scale software solutions. And suddenly, you realize that the simple prompts simply don't cut it. So what do? You start asking the AI itself to write the prompts for you. Now you spend hours on end to come up with that perfect prompt so that you can take that prompt and build your perfect solution in one go. But let me break it down. The perfect prompt, the perfect skill, whatever, is just a myth. It all depends on the context of what you are building and how you are. Let me tell you what the reality is. When a prompt is that long, the AI starts making 1,000 implicit decisions on your behalf. Decisions about your architecture and logic that get buried so deep in the context that you don't even realize you have lost control until the project starts looking like what we call AI slop. Then you graduate, and now you are in the third stage. You realize that to build a real AI system, you don't really need a perfect prompt. All you need is a harness. So you stop writing these essays and you start building the development practices that you often reuse. So if you want to move from stage 2 chaos to stage 3 consistency, here are the 5 rules that I use for my own AI systems. Number 1, focus your sessions. Give your coding assistant one task at a time. So the less orchestration it has to do in one go, the less sloppy output it's going to generate. Number 2, parallelize your agents. Don't ask one agent to do everything. Instead, ask the main agent to spawn multiple sub-agents that work on targeted and isolated tasks. Number 3, rubber duck prompting. So rubber duck prompting is essentially you not only talk through your logic with the AI before it touches the code, but you also have it talk to you about how it is planning to implement a particular design. I'll do a full video on this, but believe me, it's a game changer for spotting any logic flaws pretty early. Number 4, surface the decisions. Tell your agent clearly not to make major design choices on its own. It should surface them for your review first. You stay the architect and the AI remains the builder. And finally, the reviewer loop. Always have a separate reviewer agent whose only job is to critique and stress test the work of the developer agent. So write all of these skills down and start using them in your project starting today. And do tell me, where are you on the prompting U curve right now? Any other tips and tricks that have worked for you? Comment down below. And don't forget to follow along for more such tips and tricks.